So yeah, by the way, they have 18 months of warranty, 30 days money back. %satisfaction. So there's a screw hole right here in case you need to hook it onto the wall. And there's like 4 of the rubber non-slip feet. So you have 1, 2, 3, total of 1250 watts max. And you have 2 of the type C on the outside, and then 2 of the type A in the middle. And 1 over here is power delivery for fast charging. And on the type A, you have 12 watts on each port. And then on the type C, this one's 15 watts max. Power delivery is 20 watts maximum. And this one has like tilted in like a 45-degree angle, so it doesn't obstruct the plug that's on the bottom. Let's go ahead and plug in and test it out. So if you have a plug right here, you plug this in the angle. Okay, so how this is like a 0.33 inch, pretty flat. As you can see over here, is protruding like a 2.2 inch. So if you have furniture, you cannot really push it against the wall. Okay. And now you got the white LED indicator, that means the power is on. So yeah, with this you could charge all of your devices. Let's plug in to charge this fan. Plug this one in. To charge lithium-ion batteries. We're gonna plug this one in. It's the type C. And we can charge the camera. And another type C right here. And then the rest of it, you could plug in however you want. So yeah, you could 7 in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.